Have you noticed how every summer the same clothes suddenly start feeling boring? The same cotton cordy, the same white tee, the same jeans. But summer 2026 is different. This year fashion is not just about staying cool. It's about looking expensive, effortless, and unforgettable even in the hottest weather. And trust me, some of these trends are so unexpected that they can instantly make your whole look stand out. So before you shop for summer, watch this video till the end because trend number 9 is something almost nobody is talking about yet. Let's start. Number 1. Butter yellow is replacing white. Every summer, we all automatically pick white outfits. But in 2026, butter yellow is becoming the new summer neutral. It gives the same fresh and clean vibe as white, but looks softer, richer, and more unique. Think butter yellow shirts, flowy dresses, cord sets, and even linen trousers. This color looks beautiful in sunlight, photographs amazingly, and gives a luxury European summer vibe. If you want a simple upgrade, replace one white outfit with butter yellow. You'll instantly look trend-forward. Number 2. Linen everything. This summer, linen is no longer just for shirts. Now it's everywhere. Linen waistcoats, linen trousers, linen oversized blazers, linen dresses, and even linen matching sets. Why is this trend exploding? Because linen gives that rich girl on vacation aesthetic while keeping you cool. The best part is that slightly wrinkled linen actually looks stylish. So you don't need perfect ironing. That effortless, messy elegance is exactly what's trending in 2026. Number 3. Sheer layers for daywear. Usually sheer fabrics are used for party looks. But this summer, people are styling sheer shirts and overlays even for daytime outfits. For example, a white tank top with a sheer pastel shirt on top, or a slip dress layered with a transparent shrug. It adds dimension, movement, and a soft feminine touch without making the outfit heavy. Number 4. Bermuda shorts are back. Yes, shorts are trending again, but not the old denim mini shorts. This year it's all about tailored Bermuda shorts. Knee-length, structured, clean-cut, and classy. They make your outfit look polished instead of casual. Pair them with oversized shirts, fitted tank tops, waistcoats, sling heels, and loafers. This trend is perfect for office casual and travel looks. Number 5. Crochet is becoming luxe. Crochet is coming back in a more elevated way. Instead of beach-only crochet tops, 2026 fashion is bringing crochet dresses, crochet handbags, crochet cord sets, crochet skirts, and crochet trims on sleeves. The handmade texture makes every outfit feel special. Neutral crochet pieces in beige, cream, and sand shades will be huge this season. Number 6. Soft, sporty fashion. Now it's becoming softer and more feminine. Think tennis skirts, polo t-shirts, fitted capris, sporty dresses, sneakers with dresses, and caps with oversized shirts. This trend gives clean girl summer energy. It looks active, fresh, youthful, and effortless. Perfect for college girls and casual everyday fashion. Number 7. Big straw bags and woven textures. Accessories are changing summer outfits in 2026. This year, oversized straw bags, bubentotas, and raffia texture handbags are everywhere. Even a basic jeans and shirt look instantly feels stylish with these bags. This trend makes your look feel vacation ready, especially for beach trips, market runs, and cafe content shoots. Number 8. Monochrome pastel looks. Instead of colorful printed outfits, people are going for one-color pastel dressing. For example, full powder blue outfit, head-to-toe blush pink, sage green matching set, and beige monochrome layers. This instantly makes your look appear more expensive and thoughtfully styled. Number 9. Wet hair plus minimal makeup styling trend. This is the surprising trend almost nobody is discussing. Fashion this summer is not only clothes, it's full look styling. The just stepped out of a luxury resort look is trending. That means sleek wet hair bun, glossy skin, nude lips, gold hoops, oversized sunglasses, and simple slip dress. The vibe is effortless glam, very minimal, but extremely attractive. This styling trend can make even basic clothes look high fashion. Number 10. Statement sunglasses are bigger than ever. Tiny sunglasses are fading. Summer 2026 is bringing back bold frames, oversized square, retro oval, colored transparent frames, and gradient lenses. This one accessory can instantly transform your whole outfit, especially if your clothes are simple. Number 11. Loose wide-leg pants over skinny bottoms. Skinny jeans are taking a back seat this summer. The trend is all about wide-leg trousers,
palazzo pants,
relaxed cotton pants, and striped pajama-style pants. They are breezy, comfortable, and look stylish with crop tops or fitted tees. This trend is perfect for Indian summers. Number 12. Minimal gold jewelry on tan skin. The final trend is subtle but powerful. Minimal gold jewelry is dominating summer fashion. Thin chains, stack rings, sleek bangles, and simple hoops. When paired with summer skin glow, it gives that rich, effortless beauty vibe. Sometimes fashion is less about clothes and more about the details. So these were the 12 biggest summer fashion 2026 trends that are going to surprise everyone. The best part? You don't need expensive shopping. Even adding one trend piece, like butter yellow, linen trousers, or a straw bag, can completely refresh your summer wardrobe. Tell me in the comments, which trend are you most excited to try this summer? And if you want more videos on how to look expensive in summer, summer outfits for office, color combinations for hot weather, and summer glow-up fashion tips, then subscribe now because the next video is going to help you upgrade your entire wardrobe.
See you in the next one.